Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at Venn diagrams and just how we can shade them and what Venn diagrams are. So let's have a look at the first thing here. This is a Venn diagram. This box here represents everything that's inside the Venn diagram, and we've got two circles A and B, and they may overlap here. Now we're going to see some notation. The first piece of notation is this thing here, and this is called the union. Now I've shaded the union. The union means that you can belong to set A or set B or be in the middle. You can be part of set A or set B. So that's the union. And that's represented by this U sign here. The next one is the intersection. So here we've got an intersection with a kind of N shape here. And these are for the things that are in A and in B at the same time. So you've got to be part of set A and part of set B at the same time, and that's the intersection. The third thing that we need to know is this thing called the complement, which is A dash, which means not in. So this is not in A. So I've shaded here the things that are not in A. So here's set A, and everything outside of set A is not in A. Now those are the three basic components, and here we've got three more. You might want to pause and have a look at each one and have a think about this. We've got some different shading. So what have I shaded here? What's shaded? Pause and have a think about it. Okay, I've shaded everything outside of A and B. Remember that the circles that are not shaded will be the union of A and B. So what I've shaded is not the union of A and B. Not the union of A and B. Have a look at the next one. Again, pause it if you need to think about the answer. What's shaded? Okay, the bit that's not shaded is the intersection. So I've shaded everything apart from the intersection. So I've got A intersection B, but the complement of it, not the intersection. Okay, the next two are slightly harder. You might need to think about this one, so pause and think about it. Okay. If you think about what's not shaded, everything in A is not shaded, but it's not the complement of A because I've shaded some of this. So I'm actually allowed to be in B, but not in A on its own. So how am I going to express that? That's not in A. So if I said not A, that would be all of this. Wouldn't include this. Union B, so I can be in B at the same time. So I'm allowed to be in B or not in A. And finally, this one here. Now, I'm not in A, but at the same time, I'm in B. So I'm not in A, but I'm intersecting at the same time I'm not in B. Look at the difference between that one and the one that we had here. Okay, I hope that gives you an introduction into sets and Venn diagrams and how we shade them.